Hey guys, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to make this elegant yet simple to make necklace set. I hope that you will love this tutorial and will definitely make this necklace set at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And as you know, I am really trying to grow out my channel on this platform. Your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel on this platform. So do hit the subscribe button so that I can bring such amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now let's get started. The material required is 3 mm pearl beads. Then these are asymmetrical beads. These are also 3 to 4 mm. These don't have any proper shape, you can see. Then seed beads, lock beads, chain, laria, eye pin, jump ring, necklace hook, earring hook, 30 gauge wire, cutter plier, necklace. First of all, we will take one eye pin, and in that I am going to add one small seed bead, and then we'll add this pearl, and again one seed bead. So this will be the loop, you can see. Now I'll cut this halfway in the half, and with this we'll form a loop again. So you can see I have formed the loop. Now we will take another eye pin and I'll open this and we'll insert this loop here in this. Okay, so I have added this eye pin in this. Again I'll repeat the same process, that is I'll insert one seed bead, then one pearl bead, and then again one seed bead, and I'll cut this here probably in the half, and we'll close this one to form a loop. Okay, this has become much bigger, that's okay. Now I will again add, so I'll repeat this process for this 5 beads total. So I'll quickly do that and we'll come back to you. I have made lots of videos on beaded jewelry where I have made various designs in a very simple way which looks very beautiful, and also you can make them with minimal material and time. So do watch these videos. So guys, I have added these beads, you can see. So now we are going to add a bunch of 3 seed beads. So for that what we'll do is, I am taking this 30 gauge wire, I have already cut it, and we'll add 3 beads here first. Okay, and now I'll form a loop over here, wrapping this. Okay, so you can see I have made a loop like this. So we'll add it to all the holes of eye pins. So I'll add it over here, and again I'll wrap it. So you can see in this way we have to add the IP, this bunch in all. So again I'll form a loop, and now I'm going to see there are two eye pins over here. So in each of these we have to make a design like this. So I will insert this here in first loop of eye pin and we'll wrap it. Similarly we have to do it for another one also. If I'm going to say I will form a loop, and now see we have added this over here, so we will also add it to another one. Okay, so similarly we have to add this for all the loops. So I'll quickly do that. You can see I have added these beads, seed beads, and it's looking so pretty, but our work is not left. Now we will add these pearl asymmetrical pearls to this. So for that I am taking these block beads and this laria, and what we'll do is we'll cut this laria in half and then we'll insert one lock bead first, and then we'll insert this asymmetrical bead. So you can see I have added this symmetrical bead in this laria like this, and now we will add this one in this middle parts. So we just insert in any one of this loop and wrap it. That's it. So I'll repeat the same process for all of them. So I'll quickly do that. If you have any suggestions or feedback for me, do let me know in the comments below. So I have added this pearl, symmetrical pearl, and it's looking very pretty, isn't it? Now we have to make one more layer. So I have already made one layer of this, you can see, but to this one, as it is coming upper on upper side, we won't add any as it is coming to upper side, we won't add these dangles of symmetrical beads because it won't look good as per the shape. Now we are going to add the chain. So there will be two chains. So I have already cut them in a bigger one and smaller one like this. So we just have that we have to attach them. So what we'll do is I'm taking this jump ring and I'll open the jump ring and we'll insert this one. Okay, so similarly in the same way we have to add this for all. So I'll quickly do that. So guys, you can see I have added this chain. So make sure that the smaller chain you will add to this one where we didn't add asymmetrical pearls, and the bigger one will be outside in this way for the proper shape. Now to one end we will add a necklace hook. So for that I am taking this jump ring and I will insert it in one chain to one side chain, and in this we'll add a necklace hook and we'll close this. And to other side we will add jump rings so that people can insert this necklace hook very easily, because the holes of this chain you can see are very small, so it won't be convenient for the people to insert jump ring or necklace hook on their alone. So for that reason we will add some jump ring in that. Okay, so in this way a beautiful necklace of 2 layers is ready. And now we will do earrings. So for that what we'll do is, I'm taking this laria, we'll insert one this lock bead, and then we'll add one our asymmetrical bead. Now we are going to add a bunch of these seed beads. So what I'll do is, I will just add 3 seed beads like I took before while doing the necklace, and will form a loop over here. Okay, and now rather than inserting it here, I'll first form a loop here like this. Okay, and now I'll insert this in this. So I'm adding 3 loops. Okay, and then I'll add one necklace hook in this. So with this our beautiful small tiny, whatever you can say, earring is ready, and this is our second earring. So with this a beautiful necklace set is ready.
If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like it. Share it with your like-minded friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also put your valuable comments in the comment box and let me know what would you like to see next. This is Aishwarya and I thank you.